spring is coming, and I wonder if you're thinking you might have to pull out those allergy medications. Well, I want to tell you that I know a lot about allergy. I had many allergies myself, and I learned how to overcome them naturally. And I'm going to share with you my 10 tips to overcoming allergy. Now, in my case, I had terrific sinusitis. I had terrific headaches. I had eye pain ache. I had constant congestion. I couldn't do my sports because I had such headaches, and I ended up taking medicines all of the time during any kind of allergy season. I took antihistamines, I took Tylenol, and I took actually non-steroidal anti-inflammatories. And now when I look up what those drugs did, I'm sort of horrified. This was 20, 30 years ago, and I simply had more than 30 years ago, and I didn't have the same awareness because in my path, very young after graduate school, I met some very smart people who knew about natural medicine, and they helped me heal myself naturally, and that's what I'm going to share with you. But let me tell you what I was taking. I was taking a compound called Dristan that had Tylenol. Tylenol clearly causes liver damage. I've seen people go into liver failure because of Tylenol. I didn't realize it back then. I was taking antihistamines, which I now look up to find that regular use of antihistamines is associated with an increase in dementia. I had no idea about that. And also, regular antihistamine use increases the risk of these brain tumors they call gliomas by 3 to 4 times. Now, I was taking these just as a way to deal with my pain, with my congestion, with my nausea at times. These drugs would kind of burn a hole in my stomach, but still I did it because I got symptom relief. And it was only until later when I met very smart people who knew about homeopathic medicine, natural medicine, vitamins, herbs, acupuncture, that they showed me how to heal. And I'm going to give you some of the simplest things you can do that are also effective. But let me tell you something else. I had chemical sensitivities. Chemical sensitivities so bad that when I would be working in California and have to go to Los Angeles, I would have to wear a mask in my car, not to have a blazing headache. But it wasn't a mask like this. It was a mask like Darth Vader. It was a mask that had great big filters on each side of it so that it was constantly filtering the air. I couldn't ride in airplanes, and when I did, I would get terrific headaches because remember, they allowed people to smoke on airplane, and you had all that smells of the exhaust. Right away trigger a headache. So I had chemical sensitivities, as well as food sensitivities, as well as the chronic fatigue that developed from that, and sinusitis, and the digestive problems from taking all those medicines. So, my friends, I know what I'm talking about, and I invite you to think about the long-term effect of these drugs and to think about how you can naturally change some of your living patterns, some of your ways you do things, some of your supplements, and gain freedom from allergy and freedom from the allergy medications. I hope you'll join us. It's going to be a wonderful event where we're going to teach these 10 steps. Again, I'm wishing you all the freedom from allergy that I obtained through my hard work over the years, and I'm going to show you how to do it with 10 simple, easy steps. I look forward to seeing you all then and wish you very best for this spring season.